Hi, if you wanna rename apps on iPhone 16e, then firstly swipe down from the top to trigger Spotlight search, and here enter shortcuts. So now we need to click on plus and choose the section Open App. Here find app you wanna rename. For example, let's use messages for that. And now you need to tap this arrow on the top and choose rename. So here enter new name for this messages app, for example my and heart, and click done. Then you can also tap this arrow again and choose its icon, so you can switch to this shortcuts icon from the default one and find any from the list. For example, I'm gonna pick this one and make it pink. Now we need to tap done and click this share icon to select add to home screen. Now you can again customize the icon, but we already did it, so let's just click add. And this is how it looks now. So let's just check if everything is working right. And yep, you can see that Messages app opens, but now it is called My and Red Heart. So I can just press and hold this Messages default icon, choose to remove it, remove from home screen, and now drag this icon on the bottom. You can do the same with any app from your app list, but yep, that's it. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.